The Reveal team understands the importance of chair time to your practice and the aggravations associated with attachments. As a result, we developed an advanced aligner manufacturing process that eliminates the need for attachment for cases that do not require bite adjustments. That means you can utilize Reveal aligners for the range of cases that make the most sense for your practice. Reveal aligners create a truly intimate fit to the tooth anatomy, resulting in better control with no unsightly attachments. And by eliminating the need for attachments in cases that do not require bite adjustments, you save chair time and improve aesthetics for your patients. So, why can we eliminate attachments? The trim is scalloped to fit securely at the gingival margin to hug the tooth. This provides more contact with the tooth to create retention. More tooth contact means more retention. More retention eliminates the need for attachments. And the trim line is comfortable for the patient while providing the optimal service area for controlled results. Older generation aligner products require attachments for three reasons: retention, accomplishing certain types of tips and torques, and extruding a tooth. Reveal's manufacturing process overcomes the issues faced by older generation aligners. The stiffness of the clearware material provides a fit that allows for retention. Plus, the precision fit provides the maximum contact with the tooth to allow for tipping and torquing. Finally, you need to extrude a tooth? We recommend EBT to bond attachments only if and when you choose to use them.